Our friends at Rapscallion Soda sent us these machines. You put a lemon in here, the machine runs, peels all the zest off the lemon, and they use it in their sodas. And he said he bought 2 of these machines and they're not working. I'm gonna try and find out what's wrong with it and see if we've got the spare parts up in the storeroom to fix them and ship them back down so they've got plenty of soda to be making, or because they've got plenty of soda to be making. Right now the arm's moving, but this doesn't spin. So it looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. We've got a contactor here. The contactor goes on and off. So when we push it, it acts like a switch. We've got a timer and we've got a couple of motors with some capacitors. And the capacitor is what essentially starts the motor. They were symptomatic of that being the problem. So I thought the starter was the problem, but it's not. I think it's something inside the machine. We've got spare motors here. So the spare motors come with a brand new capacitor. And we've got the brand new motors in the box. So I'm gonna strip this one, fit it, test it. If it's working, we'll jump onto the next one. I've got upgraded motors that I'm gonna change them out for. And I've also got spares because what they're actually doing is using a drill. They've stuck the lemon on the end of the drill or the lime and they're spinning it on like a cheese grater or a zester. So they're needing these back pretty urgently. Just to do one more mount. Take a belt off now. Finally found a use for my father. Thanks, Father. And then my not so glamorous assistant is gonna help me guide the... There's one motor for the up-down movement and there's one motor for the spinning, and it's a spinning motor that's knackered. But they've had a hard life. I'll just tighten these up and then I'll make sure it spins freely. Washer first, spring washer, keeps it nice and tight, stops it not backing off. So I'm gonna get Johnny to pull the motor that way to tension the belt. So now I'm just going to spin it by hand. I'm just going to free spin it like this. It's not jumping off, it's running fine. So we're going to disconnect this one here. So we're going to need to solder all these cables together. So I'm going to have to look for some heat shrink. It needs to spin anti-clockwise. And the reason that's important is however way this is connected. If it's connected one way, the motor spins clockwise, and if it's connected the other way, it spins anti-clockwise. We crimp on new connectors. So these are special bootlace connectors. They enable 2 wires to go in, and then we crimp the end. Right, so what we need to do, right, is we just need to connect these motor wires up now, and then we're good to go. Then, we plug it in, hopefully, that's us working. So, moment of truth. When I hit this button, we want to see the arm moving, and we want to see the bottom part spinning. Perfect. We'll get the 2 of them on a pallet, get them strapped down. We're going to ship them back to Glasgow to Rapscallion Soda. Easy days.